Hi everyone and welcome to my video on Playground AI. Playground AI is a powerful new tool that allows you to create stunning images and videos using artificial intelligence. It's easy to use and it's packed with features that make it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. What is Playground AI? Playground AI is a web-based platform that uses AI to generate images and videos from text descriptions. You can use it to create anything from realistic landscapes to creative abstract art. Playground AI is still under development, but it's already capable of producing incredible results. How does Playground AI work? Playground AI uses a variety of AI techniques to generate images and videos. It starts by parsing the text description you provide to understand what you want to create. It then uses this information to generate a latent representation of the image or video. The latent representation of the image or video that can be used to control its appearance. Once the latent representation has been generated, Playground AI uses a variety of techniques to generate the final image or video. These techniques include diffusion modeling, which is a technique that can be used to generate realistic images and videos from random noise. Features of Playground AI. Playground AI offers a variety of features that make it a powerful tool for creating images and videos. Some of these features include a large library of pre-trained AI models. Playground AI offers a library of pre-trained AI models that can be used to generate images and videos. These models include models for generating realistic images, creative images, and videos. A powerful text-to-image generation engine. Playground AI's text-to-image generation engine is one of the most powerful on the market. It can generate images from text descriptions with a high degree of accuracy. A variety of image and video editing tools. Playground AI offers a variety of image and video editing tools that you can use to refine your creations. These tools include tools for adjusting the brightness, contrast, and saturation of images, as well as tools for cropping and resizing images. How to use Playground AI? To use Playground AI, simply visit the Playground AI website and create an account. Once you have created an account, you can start generating images and videos by entering text descriptions. Playground AI will generate an image or video based on the text description you provide. You can then refine your creations using the Playground AI's image and video editing tool. Conclusion. Playground AI is a powerful new tool that allows you to create stunning images and videos using artificial intelligence. It's easy to use and it's packed with features that make it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.